Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to use rich text so you can create a paragraph like this. So normally with a text widget you would only have whatever style you applied would be applied to the whole thing, but with rich text we can apply different styles to different text spans. So I've already created our app. It has an app bar with the title of rich text and its centered title. And in our body we have a center with a padding, and then we have the rich text. So the rich text takes in a text parameter, which we have given a text span, and we've set a default text style for all this type of writing that we're going to put in here, and we've given it some children of some more text spans. So each individual text span has its own text. So this text span says just starts by introducing it, and this text span has an underline and it's been colored blue. So if this was a regular text widget, it would create, if we had given it this style, all this text would be blue with an underline, but using a text span we were able to just only make that certain part blue. And so as you can see, if we go further down over here to our read this widget, we have applied an italic font style to it, given it a font size of 40 and given it a red color, and essentially it will allow you to just create a paragraph with multiple different styles. And if we go over here to our word multiple, you'll see that we've also given it a decoration style of text decoration style dotted, which will instead of having a solid underline like this, it will have a dotted underline. So yeah, this widget is really useful if you want to incorporate multiple styles into one paragraph. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. The code will be in the GitHub link in the description, and I'll see you around.